This thing on. Hey, buddy. Here, buddy. Time for another little Commuty Doody. You know the drill. MotoThom in it. On the MotoCommute. Alright. Another day, another dollar, as they say. You gonna stay? You're not gonna stay. Alright. It is Monday afternoon. And yesterday was Holocaust Remembrance Day. Good time to just think about the horrors of fascism. Well, it's not really ever a good day to think about that, but, you know, sometimes you just need a reminder that once enough people go extreme, things can go very, very wrong. So let's make sure that doesn't happen again. It's also a stark reminder of how many people actually don't believe in the Holocaust, which is rather shocking. There's apparently some study saying that a third of all Americans do not believe the Holocaust happened, which is rather shocking and tells you quite a bit about the educational levels in this country. Good grief. So, yeah. Educate yourselves, folks. The information you seek is out there. Alright. What can we talk about? There's not much to talk about. I found out today that our good friends, the accountants, have started their tax season. So for those of you that know any accountants, you will know that now is the time when they go into hiding and they kind of go crazy. I mean, they are a special bunch to begin with, but this is when they really start to lose it. So, we salute you, accounting man. For all the hard work you do at the price of your sanity. But, you know, some of them are paid decent. Some of them are not. And at least I don't have to do it, which would suck. Then again, I don't really hire an accountant anymore. I used to. But now that I'm businessless, there's no reason for me to do it. The old tight squeeze from the bus. Thank him for getting out of my way a little bit. It's always appreciated. look myself in these people's mirrors. At least try to be seen. It's not always the case. Nice little Jeep there. So yeah, we salute you, accountant men of the world, men and women, for your struggle with the tax codes and endless insane questions and numbers and yada yada yada. What else is there to talk about? I'm running a half marathon later this year, so I guess I should really start to train for that. Because I haven't really done any training at all. So that'll have to happen soon. I should just run to work. If I had a shower, I probably would. And that is how you do that. What a wonderful, wonderful thing it is to be on a motorcycle during rush hour. There is no waiting in line with everybody else. Yep. Well, good folks of the YouTubes, I don't really have anything to report at this point. So, with that in mind, I think I might as well sign off pretty soon and call it a day. And let everybody get on with their day. Yeah, these Guzzis don't rev high. So, see everybody, we're out.